ate fish food.
Who ate fish food?
Good.
Why do you think this?
Because he choked.
That's a problem. I'm not aware of eating fish food. Good afternoon, guys. We're getting a little bit of a late start, but we're making lunch. And look what we are getting to use today. Fresh honey.
A new one.
A new
from Lancy.
From the Lances. New honey. I'll put a link in the description. Hopefully she'll have her video out on how they harvested this. They are called Lazy in Alaska, so go check them out. But we are gonna try the new yummy honey. Are you excited about it? Real Alaskan honeybees. Be excited. Be excited about it. Are you gonna have some? He's over here. He's smoking.
Yeah, trying to smoke in the rain. This is a new
He
experience.
didn't take up a habit, but let's go make some sandwiches with our new fresh honey. Oh my goodness. Look at the amazingness. I think next year we're gonna maybe go into business, kind of like a contributor, to be able to get our own fresh honey. Because this looks amazing. And oh my goodness, if you guys have ever tasted fresh honey, you know what I'm talking about. It's totally different. Don't mind my crazy, messy house. Trying to get ribs and stuff together and all that stuff. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that.
Can I see? Oh, look at that greenness.
Look at that goodness. Are you excited? I wonder what the best way to do this is. Maybe we should take like a teaspoon. What do you think, Ev? Let's go try these sandwiches, okay?
Okay.
How is it?
Good.
Do you notice a difference? Can you taste the difference in the honey? Is it sweeter?
Yeah, I've tried some right on this edge.
What about you?
I just tried some in that little thing, and
Can you tell a difference on your sandwich?
yeah.
Yeah, sweeter?
Sweeter.
Look at that honey. That's awesome. Yep, him. Go. Give me that. How do you eat with this? No, okay. How did he get two?
You gave him one. You found one.
Oh, I threw it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. All done. Gone. Gone. No more for the baby. No more. Okay, eat your mac. Take your spoon. It's so good. Evelyn. How does she even stay balanced like that? Oh, geez. Oh! Nice.
This way.
Does the honey make you crazy?
This way.
Oh, jeez.
What?
Oh!
That's a good
Crazy.
one. Here's Evelyn. That is my little infant. Look at her. She can little walk and I hold her. Ready? Ready? There's Garrett. There's my dad.
Hi, I'm Dad.
Here's Wood. What are you doing? We got my little infant. Can I hold her? It's okay if I hold her. She's with me. Love you guys. Bye. want to watch our thing, just click on the description, and they really love you guys. Bye! Hi guys, so this is taking me off. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. We're here! Can I go past? No thanks. Ow, it's holding me. Ow. Okay, bye guys! Everyone's taking me on a ride. And it might be tricky. Wow. I never had my sister give me on a ride. This is her first time. Push that little button. Let's go. Hi guys. So ready? I'm taking myself on a quick ride. So, I'm actually not outside. I'm actually in the garage. Yeah.
Ooh, buddy. Are you guys ready for some ribs? You ready for some ribs? Got everything else kind of ready? Rocking and rolling? Awesome. Daddy's bringing the rest of them in. We're gonna eat. Alrighty, dinner was amazing. Wow. It's kind of coming down out here. Today is trash day, so oh, so chilly. So I gotta go pull the trash can up and around to the driveway, and I thought you guys would totally want to experience that with me because, I mean, it's exciting, you know? Oh, jeez. Trash taking, maybe it'll be a sport someday. Ooh, I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Get over the hump. Wow, can we say gutter clogged? Wow. Yeah, I don't know if I can do this with one hand. It's kind of heavy. Okay, bear with me, guys. Are you reading? What is it? What is that?
And I think he ate fish food.
What?
I think he ate fish food.
Who ate fish food?
Go.
Why do you think this?
Because he choked.
That's a problem. I'm not aware of eating fish food. I think what you're thinking about is it might have been just chalk, which is still not super healthy. But what are you reading about? Is that a good book?
Oh.
Here, let's read. Let's read it.
Oh.
Blessings to go. Here, there, and everywhere.
Mom, is it okay if I look at this?
Yeah. Okay, you gotta keep it still, silly, so I can read it to you. Let me see it. Let me see it. No. He doesn't want me to read it to him. He's like covering the book. Do you want Mommy to read it to you? No? You gonna read it?
No. Mom,
Are you gonna read it?
sit right on the ground.
Okay. Are you brushing her hair?
What brush is that?
It's his brush. He's doing a nice job. You like brushing hair, son?
It's stuck. It's not.
Be gentle, okay?
stuck.
Be very gentle. Love her. That's a good boy. Good job, Garrett. I think we're gonna call it a night.
I love that.
Really?
I
So we can get all these littles to bed. So we hope you guys have a good one, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Oh.